It's your boy, the P to the A. And today I'm bringing you a delicious roasted rabbit recipe that's easy to do. So let's get to it.
So here we have this delicious, easy to do rabbit recipe, and I'm gonna go through the steps on how you can do this. The first thing I did was obviously cut up the rabbit into smaller pieces, and it's very easy to do. You cut it up basically like a chicken, just follow the bones, cut it up. And then the most important thing is I brine this overnight with salt water, and that's very important. And this is the secret to making that rabbit nice and tender. The next thing you want to do is remove the brine water, remove the salt, bring the rabbit to a pan, add a little bit of salt, a little bit of onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, and then deglaze it with some wine to add some color to the rabbit. At this point, we will add some fresh poultry herb mix. You can see I have transferred the rabbit to a different pan. In this pan, I have lots of butter, the herbs. I added the wine, and I'm also going to add some chicken stock to this. We will then cover this, and it will go in the oven for about an hour at 350 to 375. And while that's cooking in the oven, we'll go ahead and start our side dishes. While we're still waiting for the rabbit in the oven, we're gonna go ahead and bring out the wine and celebrate with some red wine, going from the lightest red wine to the heaviest red wine. And of course, these guys are ready. I can't let them down. We have to drink good, we have to eat well. And while we wait here, what I did was I took the inwards of the rabbit, the pancreas, the liver, the heart, and I basically sauteed that in butter, some salt, and black pepper. And this right here was a gourmet meal. It was absolutely delicious. It went with that wine, and it was just a fabulous gourmet meal before the main dish. Here we have roasted cabbage and carrots, along with roasted potatoes. And then after an hour and 15 minutes of cooking the rabbit at 350, 375, I did broil it for the last 5 minutes so we can get some nice color. You can see this beautiful plate with our rice, our roasted vegetables, a little bit of that rosemary on top of there, and you can see how beautiful this meat looks. It was tender, it was juicy, it was delicious. We kept on going with the wine, again saving the heaviest wine for the end, and this wine right here, this Beta Grand Reserve, was absolutely delicious. Played some cards, but it wasn't in my favor. I lost practically every hand. We had an espresso, and we called it a night. I hope you tried this easy to do rabbit recipe. It's very simple, very delicious. Give it a try, leave a comment, put a like, and don't forget to subscribe. It's your boy, the P to the A. Subscribe for more.